Hey there! We are incredibly excited to have you as a new Techy franchise partner. We made this video as a guide to give you some information about our packages and getting started with Techy. We should start by saying all of our packages include the store build-out in the price. Now, we do have a few different models and price ranges, so let's go through them quickly. Our top-of-the-line model, which has multiple streams of revenue, is called the Techy Cafe. The Techy Cafe main source of revenue is fixing broken electronic devices. However, we also buy and sell used electronic devices and sell coffee and assorted snacks as well. This model comes with $30,000 in parts, accessories, and devices, $25,000 in equipment with furniture, an espresso machine, and a refrigerator, and more. It also has $5,000 in extra displays for additional inventory. From here, we have different models. All of them generate revenue by fixing broken devices and selling used electronics. We have our Techy device package for $160,000, which includes $30,000 in parts and inventory and $5,000 in extra displays for additional products. The Techy store package, which is $125,000, and this includes $10,000 in parts and accessories. All of the package options require just 3 employees to operate, 1 store manager, and 2 repair technicians. And when you purchase a franchise, we will train up to 4 people that you bring us to our 24,000 square foot Fort Lauderdale headquarters. We make it as easy as possible to get started with a Techy franchise and offer in-house financing as long as you can provide $50,000 for the down payment. We know a lot of people are under the impression that you need some experience to work in tech, and that couldn't be further from the truth. At Techy, we have on-site training for all of your new employees, and we provide continued training through in-person workshops or online Zoom training, getting you and your employees ready to fix any device. We are able to provide this incredible support to our new owners and continue support to our over 150 franchise partners through our 7% franchise royalty fee and our $785 technology fee, which you get point-of-sale system repair desk, which records your calls and works as a CRM. Your website SEO optimization to bring in new customers, and access to Techy University, where you will learn all about things from the upsell to how to work Instagram ads. We do also require you spend $500 a month on marketing, and that can be Facebook ads, local ads, whatever you feel fit. Inside of Techy University, we will teach you how to implement these marketing strategies effectively to optimize your return on ad spend. We do ask that you be hands-on in the beginning and involved in the store. As your store becomes established in the community, you can take a step back and let the employees run it by themselves. We're super excited to have you join the Techy family.